Yes. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Martin Noble. It's Martin Noble in the lead, followed by Doctor's Choice Reading Machine on the outside. And by the rail is Mike's Dancer. The mid-back stretch, Doctor's Choice leading the field is Martin Noble. By the rail in second, Reading Machine on the outside. In third, entry number 1, that's Mike's Dancer. Through Amigo and Dugu's Favorite. Rounding the far turn, it's Dr. Choice in the lead. It's Dr. Choice followed by Smart and Noble by the rail Reading Machine and entry number 1, Mike's Dancer. It's Dr. Choice in the lead followed by Smart and Noble Reading Machine on the farther outside and moving up on the inside is Mike's Dancer. The last bend for home, it is still Dr. Choice in the lead followed by Reading Machine on the farther outside and by the rail Smart and Noble and entry number 1, Mike's Dancer. Reading Machine on the outside and by the rail Max Dancer and Doctor's Choice is Mark and Noble, but it's still Reading Machine on the outside and by the rail is Dr. Choice. It's Reading Machine on the outside and Dr. Choice is Martin Noble, Max Dancer, and finally at the payoff line Reading Machine, Dr. Choice, Mark and Noble, Max Dancer, Dugu's Favorite through Amigo.
4-3.
5 po